firstly a pleasant good morning to our respected sir and dear friends. Welcome to all in our drama executing round.
A very good morning to all our future MLA, MP, doctor, scientist and some future corporate officer. Hopefully that will not happen. And also not forgetting some taxi and bus conductor. Who knows, after some or 2 or 3 years we might see them in Kankarbagh auto stand. Myself Aman, and here is my friend Prince, Harsh, Sarita, Sapna and Pawan.
As we know, we all are gathered here for executing a drama based on coronavirus. So what we are for waiting? Let's get started.
Hello Sapna.
Wait. Hi Aman, sit.
How are you, Sapna?
I am feeling fine. What's about you?
I am also fine. What are you doing?
I am reading an article about coronavirus.
I don't know much about coronavirus. Will you share some information with me?
Of course, why not? Coronavirus is a family of viruses that can cause the illness and common colds such as respiratory syndrome.
Is there anything else?
Of course, Aman. Obviously, coronavirus started in 19th December and in Wuhan, China, and now more than 200 countries are falling in this coronavirus.
Sapna, please tell me what are the symptoms of coronavirus? I know only a few.
Of course, Aman. The most common symptoms of coronavirus is fever, cough, and the shortness of breath. Apart of fatigue, the loss of taste and smell can be seen in the coronavirus.
Okay.
Oh, it's time for news.
Yes.
Namaskar. Greetings to all the people of our country. As we know, the shadow of Corona Mahakal is lying in our nations. And in difficult situation, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is addressing our nation. So let's see what the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said. And keep with us. Keep watching the AS English Club news channels.
मैं सभी देशवासियों को प्रणाम करता हूं। मेरे प्रिय भाइयों बहनों, आप लोगों को मालूम होना चाहिए कि आज हमारा देश बहुत ही खतरनाक रोगों से गुजर रही है। मेरे भाइयों, आप लोगों को इससे सचेत और सतर्क रहना होगा। मेरे प्रिय भाइयों बहनों, कल शाम यानी 22 मार्च शाम 5 बजे 5 मिनट अपने घर के बालकोनी या छत पर खड़े होकर ताली, थाली या दिया जलाकर देश के प्रति आशीर्वाद अर्पित करें। और मैं सभी प्रशासन भाइयों को सूचित करता हूं कि आप लोग सायरन बजाकर लोगों को इसकी इलाज दिलाएं। मेरे प्रिय भाइयों, मैं अपने संबोधन के अंतिम में यही कहना चाहता हूं कि आप लोगों को इसे डरने की जरूरत नहीं है, हिम्मत से लड़ने की जरूरत है। धन्यवाद।
Hey Aman, do you know what the condition of our country right now?
Yes, but not more. What are you watching?
I am watching the viral videos of these days that how people are disturbing the police and destroying the rules.
Let's watch me too.
Sure.
Hey, what are you doing over here? Why did you come outside from home? You don't know what the COVID cases are increasing?
I know, sir, but we are going to medical shop for medicine, sir.
But where is prescription?
I forget my prescription, but I know the name of medicine.
Sir, he is telling a lie. They are just calling wrong. And even they don't also mask.
You right say. Look now at these people wearing masks.
No sir, I just opened it to talk to you.
Shut up! Constable, catch this idiot and beat him.
Can run bro, run bro.
In Corona time, people felt everything. This pandemic affected all the segment of our society. Here we are executing a third scene of drama. So here we go. Good morning.
Good morning.
You know what today is?
Yes, today is Sunday.
Oh, anything else?
Oh yeah, it's your birthday. Many happy returns of the day, baby.
Thank you. Maybe you remember you promised me that you will do a party on my birthday?
Yes, I remember. But I am sorry, baby. Because coronavirus pandemic spoiled everything.
But baby, you told me that we will get a party.
Are you not still taking serious corona? It's very dangerous.
Oh, corona. I hate this corona. I don't know anything. I just want party tonight. Party.
Okay, don't get angry. I will arrange it tonight at home.
Thank you. At 8 p.m.
हैप्पी बर्थडे भाभी
Thank you, Devarji.
प्रणाम भैया
And Sapna.
Hi, Sarita. Thank you so much.
Happy returns of the
Thank you
day.
so much, Sarita.
Happy birthday, Sapna.
Thank you, Dile.
Namaste.
हैप्पी बर्थडे
Thank
सपना
you so much.
नमस्ते भैया
हैप्पी बर्थडे सपना
Thank you, Pawan.
नमस्ते भैया नमस्ते
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? Today I am so excited because it's my better half birthday. So let's dance. Are you okay? Please switch on the light. Are you okay?
Yes, I am fine.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am fine.
Now party is over. Thanks to come. Thanks.
The next morning.
Good morning, baby. Are you okay? What happened with you?
I'm not feeling well. Do something.
Okay, I will call the doctor. Hello? Pawan sir, where are you? It's emergency. My wife's condition is very serious. Please come soon, sir.
Where is the patient?
Sir, she is in the room.
Okay. Give me your hand.
What happened, sir?
Come side, Aman. Aman, your wife is suffering from COVID 20 days. Please take her hospital.
व्हाट हैपेंड भैया व्हाट हैपेंड टू भाभी भाभी इज ऑलराइट
No, her condition is very serious. Let's go to hospital.
डॉक्टर माय भाभी कंडीशन इज वेरी सीरियस
Okay, wait, I will call senior doctor. Harsha, please
Yeah.
come. One patient is very serious condition.
Okay, let's go.
Doctor, please check fast. My wife's condition is very serious, doctor.
Okay, wait. First, we check properly. Sarita and Ankit,
यस सर
let's go to the patient in the ICU room quickly. Ankit, go and take 5 oxygen cylinder. Fast.
But sir, in our hospital there is only one oxygen cylinder available.
Let's go and inform the patient family.
Patient need 5 oxygen cylinder, but I have only one oxygen cylinder available. If you do something, and then go and arrange.
Now what can I do?
Harsha, she
Yeah.
is no more.
What?
Sherman, sorry, your wife is no more.
Last we can see that coronavirus taking our lives. Stay home, stay safe.
What a serious condition, yaar. Is there no any way to avoid this disease?
Yes, of course, Aman. Now situation getting day by day is increasing high. Nowadays, vaccinations and medications are easily available by the permission of the government. I am going to second dose vaccinations. Are you still not taking?
No, but I am also coming with you for vaccination.
Oh, sure, Aman. Let's go.